Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. Hope you are well. Let's go into the game. Let's go and check it out. So here we've got bears on ice floes, and so this one I'm going to go and put my other screen on. Hopefully it's going to go and transition overly. Good. So we've got the actual direction that we need to get our bears to be connected. They're all on ice floes and they need to be able to go and see each other and go and see. They're all a family of bears. So if we go and have a look from the side here, you can see that we are going to have to count the spaces for some parts. And I know that when it walks through this bit here, you can see where my crosshair is, that we're going to have to make sure that we know the length of this. So it's going to come out, the agent is going to come out, it's going to have to build something beneath its feet, so while not, so it's going to have to use the while not that we built the bridge. So we're building the bridge again, but this time we're building many bridges. And so inside here you may get this stuck, so you need to take your time with this one. So it's going to walk over here, it's going to walk over 1, 2, 3, 4 to the center, and then move forward 4, turn right, and then it's going to go across the blocks here. And you are going to have to count them very carefully and double check them with your friends, so that when it gets to the center and it comes across, that you know that these distances here and these distances are going to be the same. This distance here and this distance are going to be the same. And so you can count them all. When it gets this bear over here in the corner, it's going to have to detect something in front of it. So you're going to have to say, if it detects something in front of it, at some point here, you're going to have to make it turn right. So otherwise it's going to disappear off into the ocean. Okay. And while it's got nothing underneath its feet, so making some bridges here, it's going to have to put something down. Okay. So let's first do some pseudocode. This is where it becomes really important. So here we are with my whiteboard, and I've drawn it out already beforehand. So we are going to go and put in some red for this. I'm going to put quite a thick line in for this for our bridge, because it needs to have a bridge here, and then we need to have a bridge here, and a bridge here, bridge here, bridge here, bridge here. I don't know why it's going ovals. Bridge here, bridge here, bridge here. Because the bears are here, bears are here, and the bear is here. Okay. So with your partner, you're going to have to work out what the distance is here. What's the distance here? What's the distance from the center to here? What's the distance from the center here? And then what's that all combined to there? Detect something in the front here. Detect in front. Plus right turn. And then this distance here is going to be the same as this distance here. So once you know it once, you know it twice. What's going to be that distance? Okay. So it's complicated, but it's not as complicated as you think. Don't overthink it. Do your pseudocode in first. So let's do something simple right now. Let's say that this distance here is forward 4. And that's going to go in there. Then it's going to do a right turn. Then it's going to walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, let's say. Forward 9. Inside the whole thing, it's going to need a 4 while not detect down, like you had in the bridge. Then all that can go in here. Then you can make it turn left under here. while nothing is here, it's going to put the blocks down, turn left, walk along here, while nothing's underneath its feet. It's going to build a bridge here, all the way across here, while nothing underneath its feet here. It's going to build, turn right, while nothing underneath its feet here. It's going to build, same as here, same as here. Okay. Then it's going to collect all of the polar bears together. All we need to do is make that journey, that zigzag journey. This distance here and this distance here are the same. Okay, they equal each other. You just need to work out that bit in the corner, right? That bit in the corner there. All right. So, right, let's go and have a look to see our distances, shall we? There may be a bit of a surprise. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 to the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't count that from here. 1. Is that 3 blocks wide? I think it is, isn't it? 1. Maybe 4 blocks. Let's count it. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It is 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 to the center, if I'm correct. 7 from the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7. That means that bit is 7. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means it's 14 to the end. 14 down here. I think you know where we're going with this. Our pseudocode is going to help us immensely with this, provided that we know that it's forward 4, and while there's nothing underneath its feet, it's going to place a block down, providing you put the pieces in the inventory first. As always, good luck.